Do rising energy bills, aging infrastructure, and unsustainable operations make you wonder how your campus will meet its sustainability goals? The Coalition's Energy Sustainability Program, or ESP, provides resources for private, nonprofit colleges and universities to move their campuses toward a sustainable energy environment in a budget-friendly way that supports decarbonization, reduces energy operating expenses, and increases resiliency, all while tackling deferred maintenance. The Coalition, First American Education Finance, Ecosystem Energy Services, and Solar Financing Solutions have joined forces to provide the expertise and flexible financing needed for you to realize your campus's energy goals. ESP partners guide colleges and universities through detailed infrastructure assessments, offer innovative and customized financing solutions, develop an actionable roadmap that addresses specific campus objectives, and provide ongoing technical support for the best possible outcome. Ecosystem has a long history of delivering outstanding results. With deep expertise in energy and decarbonization on campuses, Ecosystem provides integrated and innovative planning, design, and construction while remaining technology agnostic. For over 20 years, First American Education Finance has focused exclusively on addressing challenges and providing custom capital solutions to campuses like yours. FAEF's dedicated project managers know the ins and outs when it comes to working with private colleges. No matter where you are on your energy sustainability journey, the ESP is right for you. If you haven't started planning yet, the ESP is right for you. If you've started planning but are stalled and need realignment, the ESP is right for you. If you've completed planning and are ready for implementation, the ESP is right for you too. Let the Coalition Energy Sustainability Team provide the expertise and budget-friendly financing you need to move your campus toward a sustainable energy future. For more information, visit our website or contact us today.